Oh, trash day again. Seems like we did this last week. Uh-oh, the raccoons are back. Oh, wait, that's no raccoon. Oh, what a cute little puppy. And look, no collar. Good thing you already got this pet backpack on you. Aquariums. They're not just for fish anymore. There's not a lot of legroom, is there? With a backpack like that, he's ready to go into space. Right out of the case, and he's already got muddy paws. Oh, right, you found him in the trash. Well, a nice warm bath should perk things up. Or don't dogs lick themselves clean? No, wait, that's cats. How cute. A dog brush. And it even has a little place to hold your soap. Rub-a-dub-dub. This must be a dog's favorite type of bath. The kind that doesn't use any water. But it works. Good thing. Otherwise, he'd be shaking the water off, and we wouldn't get this tender moment. Wow, he must be clean to be on the furniture clean. And now he gets his own wardrobe, too. A little big, but maybe he'll grow into it. Oh, wow, look at those nails! We need a manicure, stat! Sure, I've seen green nails before, but that was just paint. Why stop at the nails? Let's take care of that fur, too. Of course, the most important part of a beauty routine, canine or otherwise, is keeping clean. Cue the foam. Still, no true day of pampering is ever complete without some form of facial mask. What else can we do for our day of indulgence? Oh, good idea. Some brushing. With a tongue? I repeat, isn't licking yourself clean more of a cat thing, not a dog thing? Or a people thing? At least it seems easy to clean. Now for a massage. Oh, and look, we've got a gadget for that too. First, a nice neck rub, and then just work your way down the back. Does it work on people? Well, I guess you can after all. Though you should probably ask before using it. Time for dinner. Good, because I haven't eaten in like a whole hour. A nice salad. And the puppy gets... just some kibble. And even he doesn't look too appetized. Maybe it's all in the presentation. Let's cut along the lines. It's just like coloring. And we want some bend to it, so add some tape. Now everything's got a nice shape. But still, we don't want to show off something that looks like cardboard. Gold-colored paint covers all sins. And so do a bunch of fake jewels. Just don't advertise the fake bit. Man, and all this just to host the dog food bowl. Speaking of which, can we jazz up the food here too? Great! Good boy. Look at him eating. All gone. Guess it's true what they say. You reap what you sow. Wow. I wonder if that dog knows the goose that laid the golden egg. Anyone think they're related? Well, into the drawer. Oh, what's this? Oh, this looks like a collar. Just what our four-legged friend needs. But it needs something extra. Rhinestones are nice and all, but we want something personalized. And a photo will help show ownership. Well, looks like he's on a roll. Literally. He's gonna look so handsome with his new collar. Which means that it's the perfect time for a selfie. Give us a smile. Show us some teeth, but not in a show of dominance sort of way. Any other photo ideas? Let's make a fun border. Now pick a theme. Ah yes, the source of all happiness. Money. Just don't use the real kind. Though by the looks of things, this new owner can probably afford to. Oh, he'll look so handsome in his portrait. Surrounded by money. Just like Scrooge McDuck. After all this pampering, it's finally time for our puppy to relax. You better be planning a game of fetch, taking his ball like that. Oh, wow, a golden bone! Let's hope it's not real. I mean, you could chip a tooth. Seems like enough fun for today. It's time to get ready for bed. Or instead, time for another craft. With this mold, we can make a bunch of little jewels of different sizes and colors. Put them all together, and we can make a fun mobile, like for a baby crib. Just hang it up, and he's fast asleep. Wow, I thought he would need a bedtime story or two. Let's cut back to daytime. Time for a fun dress-up. And don't worry, just because dogs don't normally wear clothes doesn't mean they can't accessorize. Adorable. He doesn't really seem to be a hat dog. Got anything else he'd like? How about hoodies? Well, the light-up buttons have spoken. No, but red is certainly his color. And it looks like he agrees. Just add some chains and some sunglasses, and he'll make Snoop Dogg look like Snoop Cat. Let's see what other outfits he'd like to try. A white tuxedo? Does he look like James Bond? Maybe another color will do. Oh, he seems to prefer the more classic black look. And it certainly seems to suit him. Aw, he's just so cute. What big eyes he's got. Time for another day of fun with your furry friend. What can be better than a puppy? Simple, more than one puppy. And this one's so big, you just want to cuddle him up. And soon, there'll be even more puppies. In the meantime, our blushing bride wants some kibble. And maybe a steak or two. That was bow-wow-tastic! Yeah, I went there. Catch you next time. Labubu's for sale. Who wants a Labubu? It comes in $150 and free. Let's give the free one a good home. Welcome home. You know, you can use a bath. Don't forget to brush all those pointy teeth. Soon you'll be a whole new Labuyu. Seriously. You're a regular pooch Pinocchio. And you've even got a new bed. Mia. Either she doesn't like that name, or she needs a new bed. Let's start with some doggy extensions. But this pup could sure use a new coat of paint. Why, you're a regular dog Ross. Now let's make this bed a little more comfortable. Wait a second. How is Mia gonna get in the bed? She's got an idea. To the bathroom. Just knew keeping cereal in here was a good idea. Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Besides, we can use the box. You got the toy out first, right? Well, take a bunch and cover them with colored tape. Stack them up, and soon Mia will be over the rainbow. Come on, Mia, step right on in. Now, step on out. It's time to eat. Now, who wants a snack? She's gonna sleep good tonight.
Oh no!
Didn't I tell you? But you really should pace yourself with treats. Probably shouldn't have left so much out. So why don't we build something to help? And we've got a crafter's best friend to help. Cardboard. But maybe throw in an old plastic bottle half. Add some spray-on paint. And soon we're golden. This should really help to lend a paw. Press down, and the perfect portion comes out. Ah, there's nothing better than a free lunch. And speaking of paws, it's time for some stretching. Now trace it on our favorite thing, cardboard. Once you're done, the next step is cutting it out. It's like a cute muffin. Now cover it with foil. Next, cover it up with a new paper border. Wow, this new paw gets a seal of approval. Fill it with water, and it's Mia's new dish. It's got something to wash down all that kibble. Of course, water isn't bought, it's rented. So why don't we make you a private privy? Complete with a special doggy potty. We'll roll out the pink carpet just for you. Of course, dogs kind of prefer grass. A fire hydrant won't hurt, always a fan favorite. Come on, Mia, why don't you break it in? Okay, I'll get the bag, you get the scoop. Unless, of course, you have a better idea. By the looks of things, it seems like you do. Stack up 2 popcorn buckets, sans popcorn. Now why not add a fresh coat of blue? Your new trash can needs special stickers. Now grab your scoop. Ooh, a lobster. Well, sometimes you gotta get your paws dirty. Looks like Mia's been playing too rough with her toys. More importantly, she could use some new ones. But let's not give them to her all at once. We should try to make them last as much as possible. So she'll have to get them with our special toy machine. Twist the dial, and the new toy is all yours. Try it out. It's like a cuddly chicken nugget. But now it's time to have fun with slime. Uh-oh, you know what that means. Dirty paws. Actually, we can use it to finger paint. Add green lines, and it's like a flower bouquet. So much fun, you should give it a go too. Of course, the best projects are made together. Wow, a circus painting with a great big lion. I think his cousin was in The Wizard of Oz. But it seems like he's about to lose face. Let's give him a new one. and he looks great. Smile, Mia. Are you ready for your close-up? Okay, Mia, why don't you enjoy all of your new digs? Of course, the part that she loves best of all is you.